Today we're going to do a residential pressure test. So the first thing we need to do is check your sectional pages. So coming close here, and on the sectional pages, this is a 450 zone with a dead end and the fire hydrant right at the end of the street. So we know it's off the 450 zone, so now we're going to go check the fire hydrant for the pressure. So we're going to clear the hydrant of any debris by flushing it. Put on our gauge. Turn on the hydrant and then we'll check the gauge for the pressure. So the pressure reading is 58 psi. That's adequate for the 450 zone. So now we're going to go to the water meter and make sure everything's okay there. On the water meter, we want to make sure the angle stop is in the on position and the arrow pointing towards the meter, which means it's on. If it was pointing sideways, that would mean that the angle stop was partially on and the customer would not be receiving full flow. Come on next, and we're going to go check the house.
Oh, hi, Bogey.
So next, we're going to put a pressure gauge on the home. Check their pressure, which is exactly 58 psi. And then we'll go into the house and run water and see if it drops off. And as long as it drops off less than 5 pounds, we'll be okay. Say when.
Go ahead. Off.
Off. So how much did it drop?
3 psi.
Okay, so 3 psi, that's within the 5 psi perimeter, and that tells us that the regulator is working fine, and that completes our residential pressure test.